Hey guys, today I'm going to do a lip swatch video. I'm really excited. We're going to try out the So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oils. These were very kindly sent to me from Colourpop. It says feel good plumping effect, non-sticky, high shine finish, ultra comfy oversized doe foot. And they look absolutely stunning. So it says we're making it extra juicy with our new glossy lip oil that visibly plumps and hydrates lips with all of the shine and none of the stickiness. This feel-good plumping formula enhances lips with volume-boosting goodies, a sheer tint and a glass-like shine to make them look full and juicy, featuring a plush, oversized doe foot that hugs your lips and applies the perfect amount every time. So, it says it's infused with peptides and ceramides, ginger and strawberry and raspberry oils. So, let's get into it. I have 8 shades here, I think. Is it 8? Yeah. I've got 8 shades here, so let's just start. I feel like they're not going to go with this eye look, but anyway, that's fine. We're going to take this one first, and this is called Hits Diff. Okay, actually, I'm going to zoom in because it's going to be easier. So this is the first one, Hits Diff, and let's put it on. I don't want to ruin the packaging, but I'm going to have to. They're in the cutest little things. Like, how cute is that? I don't know why, but it gives me like kind of like 90s vibes or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's put it. Oh my god, it's so hard to get that doe foot in any other thing. They smell quite minty. I can feel like a little bit of like a minty feeling on the lips, but like it's not like anything like painful. I'm gonna leave the first one on for a little bit because I want to see like the pumping effect, I guess. But this is Hits Diff. It does taste quite minty, but I actually quite like the way it looks. I love the little glossy texture. They say it's not sticky. I feel it's a little bit sticky, like not extremely, but like a little bit. There's a little bit of resistance. I actually really quite like the way they look so far. And I feel like this colour is like a Your Lips but better. So far, first impression's good. I like it. Pretty. It's actually really pretty. I'll show you like the full face, I guess. Cute. Okay, I really like that. Yay. Okay, great. I'm very happy. So, next we're going to try Baby Panda. And this looks like more of a baby pink. So I'm going to go off camera while I take it off and then I'll be back. Super cute shade. Let's put it on. I haven't done a lip swatch video in, oh my god, years. The only thing I don't love is that the doe foot like gets stuck. And then when you pull it out, it's like, ah, girl. That's the only thing I don't like. So I don't know if like the doe foot will, like the little tube will loosen up or not. Oh, actually, these smell like the twisted peppermint candles from Bath and Body Works, and I actually really love it, to be honest. Okay, so this is Baby Panda. I actually quite like this shade. Oh my god. Normally I'm not a pink girly, but I feel like, this just makes my lip look really nice. I have like such small lips, so this is like a dream come true for me. So Baby Panda. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, next we have Trending Now, which looks like this. Sorry. Beautiful. So this one, that looks like a bit more of like a kind of hot pink. Stunning. That's like, I feel like if you kind of like, yeah, I don't know. That's like the one thing I don't like. I feel like that's such a weird design that they did. I wonder why they did it like that. Cute. Yeah, this one, you can tell is like a bit more hot pink. This one's probably not super up my alley. Maybe with like something a bit more neutral. But I'm not a super overly pink girl, but it's still pretty. I feel like it's a nice amount of pigment as well. So that is Trending Now. Super pretty. Okay, the next shade we have is It's a Date. And I'm excited because this one's like a brownie shade. So it looks like that. Stunning. Love it. We haven't had it like a brownie kind of shade yet. So, oh, this one looks real pretty actually. I feel like this is going to be right up my alley. This one's stunning. I really like it. I feel like it still looks a bit pinky, but I think that's because my lips are quite pink. I feel like these are the kind of product that I would wear with no makeup. Like I feel like I'm going to put one in my work bag and start wearing it at work because I feel like it just makes you look put together without having to like wear makeup, because like I feel like if your lips look full and juicy, you look put together. So this is It's a Date. I think this shade is so pretty. I really like this one. Also, let me know down below which shade is your favourite at the end. I'd really be interested. Okay, next we have Beverly Drive. And I'm scared because this looks real dark. Let's try it out. I think this might be the darkest one that there is. That is so dark. I'm so scared. Okay, let's give it a go anyway. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually quite pretty. It's kind of like a wine kind of shade. I thought it was going to be a lot more scary, but it's actually quite nice. Once again, does not go with this eye look, but it's still really pretty. I like this one actually. Pretty. Yeah, I like it. I feel like this would be really nice with like a neutral look. So cute. Okay, next we have Flirty Text. Looks like this. I feel like this is kind of like a pinky kind of red. Oh, okay. This is actually kind of like a watermelon-y shade. Cute. This one actually looks real nice. Also, I want to say that I remember when I used to film lip swatch videos, it would hurt my lips, and I haven't had that so far. Obviously, like, lip oils and stuff are a lot easier to get off than what a liquid lipstick is. But yeah, these shades are real pretty. I really like this one. It's like a jelly kind of colour. I don't know. This one's real nice. Pretty. So yeah, this one is Flirty Text. Pretty. Okay, next we have So Sassy. This one is kind of like a brownie pink. Looks like that. Stunning. And this is our second last one. That's how it looks. Gorgeous. Okay. This is nice too. I like this. It's really nice. I feel like these are going to be a new staple for me. Okay, so this is So Sassy. I really like this one. That's real pretty. I feel like I've said that about all of them, but that is So Sassy. And then we have one more, and it's our clear one, so let's get into that one now. Okay, and our very last one is called Lychee Jelly, and this is a clear one, which I'm so excited about because this will probably be the one that I use like on the daily. How it looks. So cute. I love it. Okay. I know that they all smell like peppermint tea, but I kind of wish they smelled like had different flavors. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, that's real pretty. Really nice. How juicy do my lips look? So nice. I really like it. So that is Lychee Jelly. Stunning. And probably a fave. I honestly love these. I think they're really nice. I was a bit worried because I was like, oh, I don't know if I should film a lip swatch video because I might not like them all. But I honestly think that I really enjoyed all of them. The one that I probably like the least is Trending Now, which is like that pink one. And that's just because pink isn't really my colour. But I love the rest of them. I think they're absolutely stunning. They're a really nice formula. They smell really nice. They're not obnoxiously plumping and they don't hurt or anything like that. They just, I feel like, make your lips look really healthy, really juicy, and really plump. I really enjoy these, and I think that I'll probably wear these on the daily, which is big because normally I don't wear makeup on the daily at all, but these I feel like can just be worn alone. And yeah, I really like them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what one was your favourite. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!